My name is Sanele. I am a local Chinese teacher at the Durban University Technology Confucius Institute. I started learning Chinese in 2018. At that time, it was my friend who suggested that I go and learn Mandarin, so I took a chance and go and study. Starting learning Chinese at that time, I would admit it was interesting.
南非德邦理工大学孔子学院的成立是习主席作为中国新一任国家元首外交出访见证签约的第一家孔子学院。成立以来，不仅面向大学，也在中小学以及当地社区开展了多层次、多样化的中文及中国文化课程，深受当地人民的喜欢。
As China continues to grow in development and influence, so a lot of Chinese firms in South Africa or Chinese enterprises, they look for people or students who can speak Chinese. In 2023, the Confucius Institute at Durban University of Technology was celebrating its 10th year anniversary. Students to write a letter to President Xi Jinping to tell him about our feeling in learning Chinese and all the opportunities that Chinese has brought us in our life. I was very lucky to be chosen by Mr. Wu to write the letter because of my ability of being able to write Chinese characters very well.
Il y a 10 ans, j'ai assisté à la création de l'Institut Confucius de l'Université de technologie de Durban. Je suis très heureux de constater que grâce aux efforts conjoints des deux parties, les échanges éducatifs et culturels entre les deux pays ont donné des résultats fructueux. J'espère que tout en vous consacrant à l'apprentissage du chinois, vous pourrez vous rendre en Chine le plus souvent possible pour voir, connaître et comprendre la Chine en profondeur. J'espère que vous utiliserez ce que vous avez appris, pensé, vu et entendu pour présenter une Chine réelle, complexe et globale au plus grand nombre possible de personnes, servir d'ambassadeur, favorisant l'héritage et le développement de l'amitié entre les deux pays et contribuer à la promotion de l'amitié et de la coopération sino-africaine et à la construction d'une communauté de destin pour l'humanité.
When we received the invitation from President Xi to come to China, I was very happy about this. And not only me, also for the students and teachers that we wrote the letter. So this really encouraged me a lot that as a teacher, I need to explain to the students or encourage the students to learn more Chinese and so that they can go to China or have affiliation with China and have more opportunities.
非常开心能够收到习主席的回信，您在信中鼓励我们到中国走一走、看一看，我们一定努力学习，早日出到中国。
We're pretty excited that President Xi replied to our letter. It just goes to show that it's not only about studying the language Mandarin alone, but it's an exchange of cultures.
I like the sentence very much. 幸福不会从天而降，梦想不会自动成真。So I do believe that everyone needs to put in the efforts and the work to do well and to work hard to achieve one's dreams.